The Subaru Outback has long been known as the ultimate adventure vehicle, seamlessly blending off-road capability with everyday practicality. Now, for 2026, Subaru has introduced the Outback Turbo, taking this iconic model to the next level. With more power, refined styling, and cutting-edge technology, the 2026 Outback Turbo promises to be the perfect crossover for those who want a mix of adventure and performance. Power and performance, turbocharged for adventure. The biggest change for 2026 is the introduction of a turbocharged engine. The 2.4-liter turbocharged Subaru Boxer engine delivers an impressive 260 horsepower and 277 pound-foot of torque. This upgrade significantly enhances acceleration, making highway merging and towing easier than ever. The standard symmetrical all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction on all terrains, from city streets to rugged trails. Subaru has also improved the Outback Turbo's suspension, providing a more composed ride on paved roads while maintaining the off-road prowess that Outback owners love. With 8.7 inches of ground clearance, the 2026 Outback Turbo can handle rough terrain with ease. Exterior design, a bold new look. The 2026 Subaru Outback Turbo receives a refreshed exterior design with a more aggressive front fascia. A larger grille, sleek LED headlights, and sharper body lines give the Outback a sportier presence. Subaru has also introduced new wheel designs and additional color options, including a bold wilderness green exclusive to the turbocharged models. For added functionality, roof rails come standard, allowing for easy installation of cargo carriers, bike racks, or rooftop tents. The rugged cladding around the wheel wells and lower body panels not only enhances durability but also gives the Outback Turbo an adventurous aesthetic. Interior comfort and technology. Step inside and you'll find a modern and spacious cabin designed for both comfort and functionality. The 2026 Outback Turbo comes with premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, and available leather upholstery. Heated and ventilated front seats ensure comfort in all weather conditions, while an upgraded sound system provides an immersive audio experience. The centerpiece of the dashboard is Subaru's latest Starlink infotainment system, featuring a large 11.6-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. The system is more responsive than ever, with improved navigation and voice recognition features. Advanced safety and driver assistance. Subaru continues its commitment to safety with the 2026 Outback Turbo. The latest version of EyeSight driver assist technology now includes a wider field of vision for improved lane keeping and collision avoidance. Standard safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. Additionally, Subaru's new driver-focused distraction mitigation system helps reduce drowsy and distracted driving by monitoring the driver's attention level and issuing alerts when necessary. With these features, the Outback Turbo remains one of the safest vehicles in its class. Fuel efficiency and hybrid possibilities. Despite its increased power, the 2026 Outback Turbo maintains impressive fuel efficiency. Thanks to improved aerodynamics and engine tuning, it achieves an estimated 26 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. Subaru has also hinted at a possible hybrid variant in the near future, offering even greater fuel savings without sacrificing performance. Conclusion: the ultimate Outback experience. The 2026 Subaru Outback Turbo is a game-changer for those who demand both performance and practicality. With its turbocharged powertrain, rugged capability, and advanced technology, it stands out as the ultimate adventure-ready crossover. Whether you're tackling mountain trails or commuting in the city, the Outback Turbo is ready for anything.